Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Zone. If you're looking for the best electric kettles, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best electric kettles options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which electric kettles is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Cosori Gooseneck Kettle. My top pick electric kettles. Though the Cosori original electric gooseneck kettle is small in size, 12.2 by 9.3 by 7.8 inches, it boasts a sleek design. The kettle, lid, and base are all black with a matte finish, excluding the buttons. I found that the solid color choice was simple, yet sophisticated. The buttons located on the electric base are silver with white text above them. Each button corresponds to one of 5 temperature presets: green tea, oolong tea, black tea, coffee, and boil. I found that this layout was easy to read, which made using the kettle equally as easy. When the kettle is on, the buttons will illuminate with a blue light, which I found to be aesthetically pleasing. There's a max fill line engraved on the inside of the kettle. A bonus with this is that the engraving is also visible from the exterior of the kettle, although it does read backward from this view. I like this feature, intentional or not, because I could. Number 2. Cuisinart Cordless Electric Kettle. Runner-up electric kettle. For the modern kitchen, where convenience meets precision, the Cuisinart Cordless Electric Kettle represents a blend of advanced technology and ergonomic design. Unlike traditional stovetop kettles that require constant monitoring, Cuisinart's models, most notably the Perfect Temp series, offer users a swift, push-button solution to heating water to exact temperatures. This innovation caters to a wide range of users. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle. Best budget electric kettle. The strength of the Hamilton Beach stainless steel electric kettle, 40,880, lies in its overall good performance. The durable stainless steel carafe and its affordable price makes this kettle a winner. Unfortunately, we couldn't help but wish for a larger opening to make cleaning the kettle easier. Moreover, some unnecessary extra bottom stands made the carafe slightly wobbly when boiling. And coming up next, we'll be reviewing the Hamilton Beach stainless steel electric kettle, 40880, that we bought for $38.09 on Amazon at the time of writing. Upon unboxing, the kettle got some plus points from us with its stainless steel carafe and spout. Number 4. Fellow Stagg EKG Pro Best Electric Gooseneck Kettle. As a longtime coffee professional, I usually tell people that pour-over can be tricky. With so many variables: water temperature, grind size, brew time, and even pouring style, it's easy to brew inconsistently. Every one of those brewing components can turn an incredible whole bean coffee into a disappointing cup. And while Fellow Stagg EKG Pro doesn't automate your brewing the way a good drip coffee maker can, its design takes on as many of those variables as you could reasonably expect of an electric kettle to improve your brew. To start, the Stagg has precision temperature control that lets you set the exact water temperature to a single degree Fahrenheit. It's the most accurate temperature control kettle I've used, and I've been around a lot of them. Number 5. Bonavita Electric Kettle. Best temperature electric kettle. Bonavita Gooseneck electric kettles are praised for their accurate temperature control, sturdy stainless steel build, and ease of use for pour-over coffee and tea brewing. While the design is solid, some users mention the short plug cable and minor quirks like occasional dead diodes on the display. Overall, the Bonavita is considered an excellent starter or budget-friendly electric kettle for its price point. Accurate temperature control. The variable temperature settings are a significant advantage over traditional kettles, allowing for precise temperature management for different brewing methods. Durable construction. Users highlight the kettle's solid build quality with no rattling parts and a stainless steel construction. Number 6. Breville One Touch Tea Maker Best Large Electric Kettle for Tea. Making delicious tea is challenging, especially if you stray beyond basic black leaves. You must account for tea type, steep time and water temperature to produce the best flavor possible. Luckily, there's one kitchen gadget which does an admirable job of automating these tasks, and priced as much as premium drip coffee brewers, this machine is certainly no impulse buy. Of course, no other electric tea brewer offers. Number 7. OXO Adjustable Temperature Kettle Best Temperature Electric Kettle. The OXO Adjustable Temperature Kettle, available as both a standard and gooseneck model, is highly recommended for its user-friendly interface, precise temperature control, and excellent pouring spout. It features a digital display, intuitive controls with a single dial, and a 60-ounce capacity, maintaining your chosen temperature for 30 minutes. While often praised,